What up, y'all? About to cut. Take the batteries off and go lift it up. Yeah. We good.
Get on my nerves.
This garbage headless.
I ain't help you no more. Do it yourself.
Take the batteries off and go and lift it up. Yeah. We good. Having a private party.
It's a long one right there.
Right here on my chair.
I need to go get my hair treated and my split ends cut. But that'll probably happen after the baby.
We good.
It's still that one right down your chin.
Right here?
Yeah. Let's see. Go like right here. And right here on the cheek. Up a little more. Let me see the other side. Yeah. Alright then. Let me see the other side. Yeah, he should be good. Yeah.
You can hit all that hammer.
You said hit it.
You picture me.
Oh, sorry. You need a little pinch for trying me every time.
You pulling my hair.
You need to cut that too.
Them stairs are killing.
You said the stairs are killing? Hold on. Let me go. You want to get beat up today. That's what I think it is.
You getting the point right there.
I seen it. I'm starting to break out.
Whew.
Which shoe should I wear? Black and silver ones or the white and black dunk?
Better.
Yeah.
Should I try to do that?
Huh?
Should I try to do that?
Darling, when I die.
Straight.
Which one part you just did? Yeah.
I'm scared to go up there.
Okay.
Alright. And on the outside, and just leave it right there. This is how we do. Fresh light. I need a haircut.
I asked you when you was doing.
Maybe wear a hat. Fresh light.
Unless you want me to cut it.
Sleep on the beam.
All right, now when my skills get up there.
I'm trying to wait for you to learn.
You ain't coming to my BB shop. Right here.
What up, y'all? We on a day date.
We came to get some food.
We're about to eat. This the food part that we went to that was by the NRG Stadium, but they moved it to a new location. So we're about to tear some food up. She want 10 things, 10 different type of food.
We gonna share.
But let's go.
The kids will love that. So we get a seafood trio platter, add a catfish, and add a fry.
Her pasta she loved.
Yeah, it was real good last time, so hopefully they on point or even better this time.
And now other food not gonna be ready. I mean, gonna be ready. You want to do it?
You want to? I don't care. You want to?
Just do it. Everyone want this.
Chicken, the chicken pasta, the jerk pasta. Yep.
There you go. Appreciate it, man. I got you some hot sauce, tartar, and ketchup in there also.
You have honey mustard?
No, we don't.
What kind of sauce do you have?
We don't really have like barbecue and stuff like that. We do this bayou sauce. Our sauce got shrimp and crawfish in it. That's like our special sauce. It got like shrimp, sauteed shrimp and crawfish. We put it in our cheese sauce, and you can put it on your fries, on nachos. Some people put it on catfish.
What kind of cheese?
It's like kind of like a nacho queso type of cheese. It's like a cheese sauce. I can show you. I can show you.
I don't want to have an episode with my throat closing up.
No Benadryl.
This is like our cheese sauce on the nachos. They have big shrimp and crawfish in it, and it's sauteed and it's mixed in the cheese. And you can get like just a container of it on the side if you want. You can
The only cheese in it is like the nacho cheese?
Yeah, it's like a nacho cheese, and we actually put shrimp and crawfish in it. And you can put it on whatever you want, or you can get just a container of it, and you can just eat it how you want. Dip chips.
I get some.
Okay.
How big is your Kool-Aid?
It's like the 12-ounce bottle. We have them like bottled up right now.
And what flavor you have?
The red tropical punch flavor.
Want to get this or that?
It don't matter.
You have water?
I think we have Kool-Aid and Sprite though. We had some, but they can't got them from us. So you want to buy your sauce? And you want a Kool-Aid or
I'll try the Kool-Aid.
Okay. So.
Our other food said 1 hour and 30-minute wait.
We could have just not got that, but I did really want it because it was good, but we could have just got it another time.
She wanted that. That's why she ordered it. Them crawfish real good.
Man, that's so good. This is good. This is real good. Real good.
It's good. Real.
I'm gonna get in here and get this piece. Man, this shrimp good.
You don't like crawfish?
It's good.
And they got po' boys with this crawfish in it. I know that'll be good.
That's the shrimp. Let me taste the catfish. whole plate good.
This would have went good with that pasta.
That's why I wanted the pasta. I was gonna be eating the pasta. Kind of thinking, should I wait? They look, oh, they seasoned. Every time I see this food truck on TikTok, I'm like, we gotta go there. This gonna be one of my favorite.
It's good. It's better than Crab Shack.
Oh yeah, yeah. It's way more seasoned. Yeah.
And Crab Shack good, but this better than Crab Shack.
Yeah. It's way more seasoned here.
We used to always go there every now and then. That food used to be good, but I used to hate getting it and then driving home. The heat make the French fries like soggy.
That's how it look.
Order some chili sauce. They put something on that. Hopefully it's not something I'm allergic to. I think it's some type of cheese on there. It's something on there. It's good. I don't even want to go get the sauce.
Y'all, I hope y'all don't think we exaggerate. This freaking Party's food truck is P-A-R-D-I-S. If y'all in Houston or come to Houston. This Party's food truck, I think this food truck park called the Houston Grub something park. Party's food truck is only here on Saturday. It is so seasoned and good, y'all. No exaggeration needed. It speaks for itself. Every time I seen this food truck on TikTok, I'm like, we gotta try this. We gotta try this. And I see why. A1. Good. This lemonade good, taste it. Man, he's good. It's like he didn't want to stop. Let me taste the Kool-Aid. This frozen cup.
This is gonna be a good one.
I was trying to go slow because I see the lady with the burger on. She had her pasta.
This food's so good. This food good.
It is. That's how I told them we didn't exaggerate. With that sauce good.
This go with this.
Huh?
This go together. Real bad. But you don't like nacho cheese.
I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. Some space for the shrimp. I mean pasta.
I got in my head, I ain't eating that.
For real?
I'm gonna be full.
I think I should go check on it. So I could say it's probably about 20 minutes before it's an hour. So you want to go, think I should go check? Check. Get another sip of it.
We about to show y'all the pasta.
Y'all, we finally got this pasta after 2 hours, seem like. All the other food gone.
What you say? I forgot. It's something lemonade. What it was made?
It was just regular lemonade. She just said it's fruit in there, just I guess make it look pretty. I'm about to taste it out to see if it still tastes the same.
What you say? Yeah, it's huge. It's like one of them trucks you get at racetrack and stuff. But it ain't like the biggest one, but it's a little smaller than the biggest one. So when you get in the fish, I mean the AC thing working. You want to see you eat it. They like she's so intrigued.
Oh. Like it ain't. It's so saucy.
What'd you say?
What she said?
What'd you say?
Yeah, it's so
I
saucy.
can't hear.
I was trying to do that, but it's so saucy. They just keep slipping. Yeah, you see it's just dripping off there.
What'd you say?
You look so cute with your glasses.
It's good. Look, show her all this sauce. And it's jerk. You heard me?
She was saying this jerk. That's a jerk pasta. So it got jerk chicken. It's good. We had that the last time. This the one we was about to bring you to,
But it was closed. Yeah.
They just opened back up yesterday. I heard him tell somebody, it said Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and I think the weekend too.
It's bad.
What'd you say?
He said it's sad.
It's still light now. Yeah.
There's a light now. It's getting dark. She loving it.
Yeah, it's so good, but I'm so full. I need to stop if my stomach start hurting. That's when I'm gonna stop. I ain't eating this bread. I don't think I'm taking that fish here. Y'all, it's so good. We enjoyed ourselves. Everything was delish. I don't gotta take this fork. We got forks at home. I should take it just because I want to get a swig in the car.
This the bathroom. It's nice and it got AC. That's blowing cold too. Well, your stomach full?
Yeah.
That food was so good. Oh, it was good.
I'm so full, y'all. I am stuffed to the brim. But I was just standing there, I'm like, oh, I should have kept my fork. You just dropped something.
I did.
Well, what's that?
Oh, that was that sticker to the card. Got my gun in my boot purse and I don't bust back because I shoot fires. This is a very nice area. This is right across the street from that food truck park. We seen it on the interstate a few times, but we never came over here. Oh, Halloween stuff.
One thing here, y'all, they got a lot of Old Navies. In Tampa, just in our vicinity, we had, what we had? They just had open one in Brandon, West Shore, Wesley Chapel, and that was it. I think we had like maybe 3 or 4, but everywhere we turn, it's an Old Navy here.
Yeah.
And I love it because I like Old Navy.
Oh, Pet Supermarket. That's a new store. Or different, because I ain't never heard of it. I got my gun in my boot purse.
We finally hitting up Target. I remember the other day. So this 2 days later. Y'all remember the other day when we wanted to go, but we was tired. So we'll see what the people left us.
Look at that fit.
These my second time? No, probably my third, fourth.
Probably second.
No, because I won when I went to go get that wax that day.
Hey, you keep telling them people you be waxing my stuff.
They didn't even know what I was talking about. It could have been my eyebrows, my legs, my armpits.
That's
You
my
want-
stuff.
you
I
just
need
told
to
them.
know that thing be waxed.
And they knew I went, because you knew I did the video that day.
No.
I even recorded in there.
No. But I like that outfit.
Thank you.
Look like a
Look
sexy,
like a mom.
sexy mom. I got my gun in my.
That's where I need to be.
Yeah, I'm the oldest. What? That stuff be like right there.
Dave son? Oh, they got the boys. He ain't gonna take them off. He is not gonna take these things off.
You want to try these on just for fun? Try these on just for fun?
We not. Because he want to wear them every single day. We could be going out to eat to Del Fresco's. He gonna want to wear them.
You gotta express himself.
himself,
Yeah.
Well, the makeup and stuff like that.
We used to always get these. This stuff smells so good. This was a hot seller when we used to sell Warner. Everybody wanted this. We couldn't keep this.
They got that one. $3.74. We probably just go on the island and start looking at scan.
What you say?
Our stuff may not be on sale because I seen somebody get this, but it's ringing up 21. And the other stuff, we can't find it. They probably already took it. So we probably just gonna have to find another store.
Yeah. And there's a lot of spaces missing stuff. Like this Bliss. This was a part of it right now. All the smaller ones gone. Gone. Yeah, all our Tupperware bowls missing tops and all that. And we don't need to go eat or nothing. We all eat at the house. So I don't know where they go. Where they go?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know.
They be tossing them. They gotta be throwing them away.
They got it right now. You see, you buy 2, get a $10 gift card. And when you spend 15, you get a $15. I mean, when you spend 75, you get a $15 gift card. So you buy 4, you get a $35 gift card. And then they got a $2 off coupon too.
This about to go good.
What's the difference? This come a 96 in the one. You see a size 1 in this? They stuff not in water like the other stuff. Nah, these. Oh, these the ones that got the double, so you gotta get these. No, I thought they fair. That's size 1. You see another size 1? Don't we? And the smaller diapers.
116 is 74 and 84.
The smaller diapers usually have more. You want to get the 3s?
Huh? Hey, we gonna need them before
Yeah. But it do seem like it's like
newborn.
we got one size. We ain't gonna need that many newborn. We already got a box. Y'all, the kids and I came to another Target while my honey went to the house to edit. Cause that Target, I wouldn't say they tripping. I think cause we scanned the size 3. The 3 didn't prompt the second gift card for the $10. So I'm gonna try it differently when we in here. I'm also see if they got the stuff on sale for the laundry stuff in here. Y'all happy to be out?
Yep. You're in there for
So they didn't have the laundry detergent stuff on clearance, so we getting the diapers now. We need that one.
my feet. My shoes, Mom.
Can you get that one, Stanky, or no?
Which one?
Number 1.
Up there. What if this just fell on me?
I don't think it would have did much damage.
Emotional damage.
Another one.
Emotional damage. It would come some emotional damage.
It'll cause some emotional damage.
Why do we have a 2, a 1, and a 1, and a 1?
Because these, it's not when the baby is 2 or the baby is 1. These when the baby is small. Okay. We just need 4. So we got the diapers. We secured the package. So let's see.
Mission accomplished. I'm a small kid now.
You're a small kid now.
Look.
You want to wear diapers again?
No.
Let's glance this way a little bit. See if they got a clearance.
Why did you just say I should?
We got 8 more weeks and still got a lot of stuff to get.
You know why. Oh. Yeah,
Let me see something real quick. Turn.
pushing my shoe.
BB, oh, sorry, I got your toe.
You hit my head
Sorry.
instead of my toe.
I must got your shoe. No, get off his shoes.
Where I had a shoe on my slide and
That's a nice
it kept
rock.
pulling me back.
I think this the one I just ordered
You did?
offline. Yeah, I think this the one I just
Wait,
ordered.
is it coming?
Yeah.
Can we build it right when it comes?
So we can just rock it back and forth?
Y'all can wait. I don't know if y'all should build it because what if the baby fall out? Y'all ain't put all the stuff in right.
Daddy gonna do most of the work.
Oh, okay. I thought y'all was just saying y'all want to build it.
Nope, Daddy gonna do most of the
Oh,
work.
okay. Honey, you hear that? They trying to
you're
put you to
gonna
work.
We're gonna help, but not like with the schools and stuff. We're gonna
Y'all know every time we come to the store, whether Walmart or Target, these kids always want to look at toys.
No, not Dave.
What are you looking at? What's that? Oh, take that. The main two they want to look at is Legos and Beyblades. They've been into this tech deck lately. They looking at Nerf guns. So I don't know why they have Nerf guns, the big ones, and they don't use them.
We used them like a little bit while ago.
Dave took them outside before.
Before, one time you was getting your hair done, we was playing with them inside the house.
But yeah, we just lollygagging because yeah, we gonna head home and chill and relax. So I'm just letting them look at the toys and whatever. Whatever.
We're ready.
Y'all ready? Okay. All right. They said they ready, so we're gonna go check out.
This is the new Connect 4 spin.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, to place the thing in and then spin it. And then see if it lines up with your thing and stuff.
Did it take off the $2 hoodies? Okay. Y'all, why is he carrying this boy? This boy is 7 years old and about 60 pounds. Why is he carrying him?
50 actually.
Huh?
53 actually.
53 pounds?
Tesla.
Just about. Why are you carrying him?
I don't know. Getting a workout.
Oh.
Cause he
Lately you've been carrying him a lot, like he a baby.
My arms sometimes be hurting from holding on to them for a long time.
You gonna help?
I am. It's just my leg hurts right here. Move back and forth.
I got it. Oh, yes, sir.
Go, I'm gonna watch you. Me and the camera gonna watch you. Okay. Get in the car. Thank you, but you can get in first. I want to make sure you say get in. And then I get in.
I'm in.
Close the door. Close the door. I'm in too.
I've been screaming since y'all.
And I locked the door. The door is lockety locked. Okay, y'all. So that wasn't a bad deal. I know sometimes the deals be better, but that wasn't a bad deal. We spent, let's see, $70.49 for 4 boxes of diapers. The diapers are too expensive. $28.49 a piece. So $70.49 divided by 4. So we spent $17.62 instead of $28 for each one. So we saved like $1. And I said $1. We saved $11 and some change on each one. Well, no, about $11 on each one, which is great. Some money saved is not better than none, because we don't want to be, say, in a dire need where we need diapers and ain't no deal going on, and we just got to come buy them regular price. So that's why I'm trying to start getting them a little bit by little bit when I see deals. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. Getting them little bit by little bit. So now we headed home. I gotta drive, so I can't be on the camera. I'll see y'all later. Hey y'all, we had to make one last pit stop. My honey wanted some donuts, so we stopped at HEB. I'm getting the whole pack. So y'all want none of the cake at home?
No, Mom.
You want some of that cake at home with the sprinkles? Come on, Dave. You need to put your toe in. Put them things on right.
That's what I was stopping.
Yeah, that's why you can't walk because your shoes ain't on right. But yeah, we finna run to HB and get some. Oh, we can glance and see if they got shoestring fries too.
We gotta go this way.
No, that one locked. They closed that door at 9.
What time is it now?
9 something.
This way.
Still no shoestring.
I don't think that's cold this way.
Day 57, no shoestring fries.
I don't think that's cold this
Come on, Dave, let's go.
way. I don't think that's cold that way.
Oh, baby,
I do not know what you're doing.
into you. Tell me if you want me to. Come on. HEB be jamming. Oh, it's
So
just
Publix don't be jamming?
No, Publix don't be jamming. They don't.
So
They food be jamming. They can't be jamming, but not their music.
They can't be jamming, but the music, and they be cutting it. Keep it so. We have
Do y'all see them donuts?
donut dough.
Honey, I don't know if they got the donuts. These just cookies.
No. When the donuts
You see them?
only cupcakes.
What?
We do not know. Donut.
Let's look over here.
You're trying too hard. Just say we don't not know.
Yep, honey, they ain't got them. Looks like they got no donuts. They ain't got no donuts.
You do have it. Should we go to another one?
Uh-uh.
I'm just kidding.
That's also the act. Excuse me. You all don't sell like the prepackaged donuts? Okay, all right, thank you. Okay, all right, thank you. Come on, dude. So I guess they in blue boxes, y'all.
All aboard.
Choo choo. You in the caboose?
No, I'm the front of the train.
Oh, the caboose is the front. What you call yourself doing? You want an HEB cake for your birthday?
No. No, I'm on the Publix.
What cake you want? Oh, this the donut cake, ain't it?
I would like that dessert gallery cakes.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, these.
Oh, geez.
Look, he likes
That one,
chocolate.
Yes, glaze.
One? I mean,
They got sour
two,
cream donut. Let's call them. But they don't have what we used to get in San Antonio.
Mom, look at this.
That's what I'm about to see.
But does he like sour cream? That's the thing.
That's the kind of donuts he had.
That's the kind of donuts we eat. Come here.
Honey, they don't have the whole donuts with the sour cream like we used to get. They only got the donut whole sour cream.
Right there.
You want them?
Do you want to kill it?
All right, I'm about to get them. All right, love you. Yeah.
Right, look at this.
Okay.
Hey,
All right.
you have to put it in the hole. Mommy, if
What,
it
baby?
doesn't fit, we do not get.
So he won't those. He said make sure it's the latest date.
But if it does not,
Let's say 10/12. Let's see if let's say 10/15.
10/18.
No, them pumpkin.
Oh.
So what was the one under that?
50. If it does not fit, we do not get.
Get the other 15. Let me see what it look like.
Bruh. Bruh.
It look like something in that one. Something blue.
Bruh. Wait, it's not good. Bruh. If it does not fit, we do not get it. Either
We'll
way,
get
we're
these.
gonna get it. I just want to
We'll get these.
put it inside the hole. If it does not fit, we do not get it.
Did it fit?
Yep.
So we can get. Okay.
Something smells sour like those some sour vinegar.
It do smell like vinegar. Probably because the lady cleaning up, she probably using vinegar, something with vinegar in it. I don't know.
I could smell. It
Smell
smells
like-
like the chips that you be eating.
Salt and vinegar.
Salt.
And it smell like, remember Daddy used to clean that shower in Pradera in our room. It smell like vinegar when he used to use vinegar.
Why are you asking me, bruh? I'm the main one that would snitch, but I won't.
Y'all gonna snitch on me?
No. I'm the main one that would.
They said they ain't gonna snitch on me, y'all.
Why would you ask, bruh? I'm
He
the
gonna
main
see it
one-
anyways. I ain't trying to hide it.
I'm the main one that's gonna snitch, so.
You gonna snitch?
No, but
He
the,
said if you didn't tell him to not snitch, he would probably snitch.
no, not that. Why did you ask, bruh? I'm the main one.
Because you can't hold water.
Snitch.
You talk a lot and you can't hold water. He can't hold no secrets.
I'm the main one that would snitch.
Let's see.
Ready for making my Sonic, your Sonic is strong. Can I help you?
Can I just have a large cup of ice, please?
Okay.
And that's it. Thank you.
The 86 cents. Thank you.
Okay. Why they charging me for ice? 86 cents.
I can pay it, Mom.
I got it. It's a lot of change in this thing right here. Well, it's $1 in here too, so maybe.
How much cents?
I got $1. Thank you though for volunteering to pay it.
You just slamming the thing.
No, it keep falling.
I made the little leg hit you with my wallet. Here are the donut and Daddy.
I knew she went somewhere else because I was like, it don't take that long to come back from HEB. And she munching on some freaking ice.
Can I get 2 pieces of ice?
Okay, Mom.
Let me taste this ice, see. Well, I already know how this must taste. You backwash?
How can you backwash ice?
Dang.
It's alright, but you make it seem like
I ain't really been wanting. I think them pills working. That I seen it, I was like, I'm out to get it.